All right, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. This is going to be part 2 of the Jomax crawl. So why don't you guys stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, I just toppled over. It's a little belly dragger, huh? What's your steepest incline you can get on it?
I just went up that.
Oh. I pretty much have a stock base camp other than...
Those are good rigs though.
Oh yeah. No, it did really well going over there.
Rigs.
It definitely outperformed my wife's regular 10.3 that she has.
Oh, yeah. What do you guys think?
It's pretty cool.
I like it better than
A lot of lines for everybody.
Oh yeah.
Hard lines, easy lines.
It's about time we found a place on the west side over here that we can go. You don't have to go all the way out to Mini Moab or anything.
Where is that?
I have it marked on my map, but I've never actually been there. A buddy of mine been there, but it's like way on the other side of Apache Junction area. It's like going up towards Globe.
Way too far.
Yeah. I know from, cause I'm from Goodyear. I know from out there, it's like an hour and 5-minute drive.
Man, you like Badlands?
Yeah. Look at that. I went through the little gully right here. I got my shell stuck.
Yeah. Normally we come up over here where these guys are.
Yeah.
Come up and drop on that little drop off onto that rock right there.
Oh, right here? Or here?
Yep. And then drop off of that. Just directly in front of me, right here.
Oh, okay. Going this way onto that one?
Yep. And then work our way that way. It's a tough one.
I came from the way back side over there, so
Yeah,
and came up this way.
Too. So we'll come up over here. Usually come up this side because it's one of the harder parts of it.
Yeah.
Drop off right here, drop in here, and drop that way. A lot of times you stick your bumper,
Oh, they're
so it's hard. But
Yeah.
it's an axle breaker if you don't do it right. There's a lot out here like that.
Yeah,
Seriously, where did all these flying bugs come from?
it's because the sun's coming up and it's like telling them good morning.
Nice. Was it tipping right there? Did you have to help it, or to make it?
No, just real slow.
Nice. I was up really high.
Even those little signs down there, guys, you can check hours. Yeah. You can run pretty much all the way in and down.
So what chassis are you running?
Gen 7.
Oh, it's the Gen 7? You get the, it looks like you updated to the, is that the Red Cat axles? The
Gen
Gen
8s.
8's axles?
Yes. And then it did, because that makes it a 3-link with
Yep.
panhard bar.
Yep.
I absolutely hated it. So I bought the 110.com stainless axle truss.
Mm-hmm.
That makes it's a servo mount, and it makes it a 4-link.
Oh, okay.
It puts the servo back on the axle, and it's so much better.
Oh, wow.
It's got a bunch of brass.
So your old rig that you had, that's what he has. That's a Gen 7.
I just put the Fusion 2-in-1 in it. 2
Oh,
weeks
okay.
ago.
Yeah, we're still running brush systems. They're both hobby wings though. They're the, or not hobby wings, the Holmes Hobby. They're the
Crawlmaster.
yes, Crawlmaster experts.
They're awesome for the price.
Oh yeah.
I absolutely love this setup. It works good.
Yep. Just be careful coming down. That it will tilt backwards on you. That was actually a good catch. On you. That was actually a good catch.
Oh, my hands are full too.
You actually might see that on my YouTube channel. I think I just caught it on video, you doing it.
I actually did it.
Oh, okay. Well, I actually didn't have to catch it. It just went nose first into the hole. No. We're gonna go this way.
Mine's still
Nailed it. Nailed it. Huh?
One of the guys was telling me that he was up there talking in one of there was someone's car under the inside thingy of that.
Yeah.
And he was sitting there talking, and he turned around, looked where his car was, and he's like, "Where'd my car go?" It fell all the ways down that and crashed on top of the one guy's car.
Oh.
And it busted his windshield.
Oh.
One guy's windshield, and the guy's car that fell,
Yeah.
it completely destroyed.
Oh.
Like that must have.
Dude, I tell you what, if you learn not to use it, it's better. But when you need it, it's there.
Oh. Oh. Did it.
Don't wait.
Well. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and call that an awesome day out of here at the Jomax facility. We talked to a couple of people, so you'll see those on there. Didn't really get too many names, but it's a wonderful time. Give you a quick. So it's just it's soft dirt, rock, kind of mixed together. It's just awesome. You can see people in the distance out there. They're still doing some crawling, and back up here. So yeah, it's a great time. If you guys are in the area, you guys should stop by and check it out. It's an awesome crawling spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.